Today I am reviewing the AirChoice Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the standout features of this AirChoice unit is its strong cooling capacity. With 10,000 BTUs, it can quickly lower the temperature in your room, maintaining a comfortable environment between 62 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're coming home on a hot summer day or need to keep your workspace cool, this AC handles it with ease. Beyond just cooling, this unit offers quiet operation, which is a big plus. It has a sleep mode that reduces noise levels and adjusts cooling to keep you comfortable without disturbing your rest. Operating at just 55 decibels, it's quiet enough to run overnight without interrupting your sleep. This means you can enjoy cool, refreshing air without worrying about noisy fans or distractions. Another feature that makes this unit very user-friendly is the upgraded window kit that comes with it. Installing portable AC units can sometimes be a hassle, especially when it comes to fitting them into windows properly. AirChoice has thoughtfully upgraded their window kit to include 3 pieces instead of 2, making installation much easier and more adaptable to different window sizes. The long panel fits windows between 37.4 and 50 inches wide, while the shorter one fits windows from 25.6 to 37.4 inches. This means less cutting, less guesswork, and a better seal to keep hot air out and cool air in. Controlling this air conditioner is simple and convenient. You can use the digital control panel directly on the unit, or take advantage of the included compact remote control. The remote lets you easily adjust the temperature, change modes, set the timer, or switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This way, you can make changes from across the room without getting up from your sofa or bed. Speaking of modes, this is a 3-in-1 device, which means it doesn't just cool the air. It also works as a dehumidifier and a fan. The dehumidifier function is especially helpful if you live in a humid climate, as it helps reduce excess moisture in the air, making your space feel fresher and more comfortable. The fan has 2 speed settings, allowing you to circulate air effectively even when you're not using the cooling function. Another practical aspect of this unit is its drainage system. It supports both manual and automatic drainage options, with a convenient water pipe included. This means you don't have to worry about emptying water tanks frequently. You can set it up so the moisture collected during dehumidification drains away automatically, which is a huge convenience for continuous use. On top of that, the AirChoice Portable Air Conditioner uses the environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant, which has lower global warming potential than some older refrigerants. This makes it a more eco-conscious choice for cooling your home. In terms of size, the unit is reasonably compact, measuring about 13.4 inches deep, 11.8 inches wide, and 27.2 inches tall. It's not bulky, so it fits comfortably in a corner or near a window without taking up too much space. Plus, it's lightweight enough to be moved around as needed, so you can use it in different rooms depending on your needs. To sum up, the AirChoice 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner offers excellent cooling power for medium-sized rooms, quiet and energy-efficient operation, and versatile 3-in-1 functionality that includes cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. Its upgraded window kit makes installation easy, and the remote control adds convenience to your daily use. If you want a reliable, effective, and easy-to-use portable AC unit to keep you cool and comfortable all summer long, this model is a strong contender. Whether you want to improve your sleep quality, keep your workspace cool, or just create a pleasant environment at home, the AirChoice Portable Air Conditioner delivers on its promises. It balances performance, convenience, and energy efficiency, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to beat the heat without the hassle of a permanent AC installation.